Traffic.
So Louis bought a 737 for Speed Tape Airlines. I mean, bought is a strong word. I understand he found it in the back lot of Boeing's factory and they forgot about it under a tarp or something, but it's here now. I mean, it looks nice. It's got more room than a regional little Embraer jet, but it's not fancy. You know, but it's got a little charm to it. You know, it's Boeing Guppy, you're the one. Been around since '67. Boeing Guppy got a love-hate relationship with you. I blame Southwest, though. Boeing Guppy, a pilot's toy. Pulleys, cables, Apollo-era joy. Boeing Guppy, you're archaic, yes, it's true. Oh, every day when I walk around the airplane, I find a little tail skid that's very hard to explain. I blame the captain, Boeing Guppy, I won't whine. I feel lucky that you are mine. Boeing Guppy, I'm awfully fond of you. Oh, but on the days when the cabin's all hot and sweaty, I curse the fact that I don't fly that Frenchie. I mean the A320. Boeing Guppy, there'll come a time when I'll miss that you were mine. Boeing Guppy, I'm awfully fond of. Boeing Guppy, I'm awfully fond of you. Sorry about that. I just had to break out into song there for a second. Carry on.